I just want to teach you and guide you on how you can curve text in Canva. You might decide to create any design. It can be your YouTube thumbnail, it can be your movie poster, or even your company or brand logo. And during the course of designing them, you decide to curve the text to give it a better look. You can do this in Canva. Let's assume you want to design a YouTube thumbnail. I've already opened up my Canva. If you want to open your Canva, you can just type canva.com and search. It will bring you to your own page. Then let's assume you want to curve a particular text on a YouTube thumbnail. You can search for YouTube thumbnail here. You can search for YouTube thumbnail. Alternatively, you can come here. Okay, let me type it. Alternatively, you can come right here. You can see the YouTube thumbnail. Alternatively, you can come right here and select this, and it will load. It has opened, and you can see that we have different thumbnails here. We have different sample thumbnails. I can decide to select any of them. Let me select this particular one here. Let's see. Alright, we have it here. Let's delete every other text we have here and leave only YouTube. Okay, let's say YouTube. Okay, design. Let's say YouTube design. I can decide to add design after the text. Let's see. All right. You can see YouTube design here. Now I have this YouTube design. If I want to curve this YouTube design, I'll quickly click on effects. You can see the effect button here. I'll click on effects and scroll down, and you can see curve. I'll select curve. I'll select curve. You can see that I've been able to curve my text. If I feel that the curve is much, I have this curve line here that I can use to adjust it. You can see I can take it this way. I can also take it this way. I can still bring it like this. It depends on how you want it. You might decide to do this in some of your designs to give it a beautiful look, or I'll prefer it this way. Let's leave it this way. Or if you don't like it this way, you still return it the other way. Just adjust this as much as you can. So I've been able to curve my YouTube design. If I decide to give it another color, I'll click on it. I'll select the text, go to effects, and now look for background. I've seen background. Okay, it automatically gives me a black background. Let me adjust it. You can see you can decide to spread it to go further, or you bring it back. Then if I don't like this white color here, I'll come to this particular text color. We'll call it text color, and select another color. Let's assume that I want to select yellow. You can see I've given it a different look, a different color altogether. Alternatively, if you want this YouTube and design to have different colors, okay, let's assume that I want my YouTube to have a white color and the design to have the yellow color. I can still select only YouTube the way I've just done, and I'll come to the text color button and select white. Let's see how it looks. You see YouTube design. So you can always play around with all this. So this is how to curve your text in Canva. Let me curve it very well so you can see it very well. All right, let me leave it this way. I hope you like this design. You might want to do it for whichever reason. You might want to do it in some of your designs, maybe for your thumbnail, for your movie poster, or even for your logo. Alright guys, that will be all for now. Remember to like, subscribe, and then leave your comments in the comment section. God bless you as you do so. Bye for now.